From initial R&D, through design and prototyping, interface products have a role in producing medical devices. Interface's sensors are designed to detect and monitor compression, tension, weight, and torque in surgical instruments, prosthetics, and rehabilitation equipment. The medical device sector is one of the largest in medical device and healthcare, estimated at $500 billion in value globally and growing. It is forecasted to reach nearly $800 billion by 2030. Interface understands the intricacies and dependencies of precision measurements for use in medical devices. We enable healthcare professionals to ensure safer and more effective interventions, while improving patient care and outcomes. Advanced medical devices and diagnostics have allowed people to live longer, healthier, and more productive lives. 5 years were added to the U.S. life expectancy thanks to advancements in medical technology. As the healthcare industry continues to evolve, Interface remains committed to providing solutions that empower medical device companies to push the boundaries of possibility and improve patient care.